Okay, it's Sunday, February the 19th, 2012, and we're back at the Mid-Norfolk Railway, which runs between Dereham and Wymondham. It's a heritage railway, which used to be a British rail system and was closed during the beaching cuts, I believe. And it's now reopened as a heritage railway. This is a Class 47, which is, I'm hoping, about to come through this level crossing at Wymondham Abbey, which is the final station on the Mid-Norfolk Railway as things stand at the moment. I'm hoping you can hear me because it's incredibly windy, very cold, and quite dazzling sunshine, but I'm standing in the shadow of a tree at the moment. So this is a Class 47 diesel locomotive, County of Essex, I believe it's called. And Gregory and I have just come from Dereham to Wymondham Abbey. The locomotive has had to go round a loop to reconnect to the front of the train and is now going to pull back into Wymondham Abbey station, which is where I'm currently standing. So, if all goes beautifully smoothly, this train is about to come towards us. We're hoping to catch the 11:30 later and use the intercity dining car, which is currently selling beautiful all-day breakfasts. Here it comes. This is actually day 2 of the Mid-Norfolk Railway's diesel mixed traffic event, where they're running a whole load of different locomotives and carriages, and this is Sunday. Yesterday they did it as well. So there you have it, Mid-Norfolk Railway, Wymondham Abbey, the 19th of February 2012.